Hello, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can embed a Kaltura media video on a Keats page. There are two ways of adding a video to a Keats page. The first is to link directly to your My Media account where the video has been held. The second way is to publish the video to the media gallery of the module and then link to that. It is the second way which is the best for administrative purposes, and this is the way I'm going to show you now. So here is a video called Physiology Friday 2018, and I want to put this on the Physiology General Information Keats page. So I can click on the video, scroll down, and from Actions choose Publish. This media has already been linked to a Keats page but has not yet been published to any of the Keats modules. So I'm going to scroll down and select the gallery for the module for which I wish to associate this. This is this one here, the Physiology General Information. This list looks quite big because these are the modules for which I have some level of authority. If you have different modules, you'll see a different list here. But you can choose the module into which you wish to place this by clicking on the tick box. If there are multiple modules you wish to share this video with, you can click on multiple boxes. Once you've selected the correct modules, click on Save. After a few seconds, it will update, and in the Media Gallery Publish list, you'll see the media galleries in which this has been published. Once you are happy, click back. Now you have enabled this video to be published in that gallery, you can go to the module page and see the video. I'll do that now. So I'm now on the Physiology General Information Keats page. Rather than clicking on my name and choosing My Media, I can click on the cog underneath my name and choose Media Gallery, and this will now show me the videos that are associated with this Keats page. You can see there is the offer holders video, an MSc presentation, and the newly added Physiology Friday 2018 video. This media gallery is exclusive to this module, although these videos may have come from multiple sources. Now I wish to insert this video as a link on the Keats page. If I go back to the Keats page, turn editing on, and choose Add Activity or Resource, I can scroll down the long list and choose Kaltura Video Resource and select Add. There are a few compulsory fields you need to fill in. The first is the name of the video, and you can type in a description if you wish. We're going to skip this for the moment. Now you wish to add your media. There is a big red button that says Add Media, so click on it. By default, the next window will show you your My Media gallery, including all of your personal videos. If you click on the second option, which is Media Galleries, and then select the module, you will see a list of the videos available in that module. And here's the video we're looking for, the Physiology Friday video. I can now choose to embed this video by clicking on the Embed button. After a few seconds, your video will appear. If you've inserted the wrong video, simply click on Replace Media and replace it with the correct video. There are some other options down the bottom, but most of these don't need to be changed for your video to appear on your Keats page, so it's best you leave these as they are. Once you're happy, you can click on Save and Return to Course. This will take you back to your Keats page, and you will now see a link to your video where you asked it to insert. If I turn editing off now, I can click on this link, and Keats will load up the video and I can now watch it. So this is how you can insert a video within a module by first inserting it into the individual module's media gallery. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.